Testing. Testing. All right. So there's actually, oh my gosh, wait, this is an hour and 40 minutes? Dang. Yeah, well, there's actually a playlist. Well, not a playlist. There's actually an album. Or like, it's more like what the fudge? It's a mix that Riot has released in collaboration with some music artists, and they're completely copyright free. Which, yeah, they're completely copyright free. So this is the video here. I'm just going to play these in the background. And yeah, heck yeah. There's an hour and 40 minutes of this. So sick. Okay, great. Do I have... that's the wrong thing. Do we have dot contains on here? No? Beautiful. And really, this music's pretty, it's decent. It's decent. And yeah, you know, that's all right for now. Yeah, I just have to remember not to open and close too many tabs. All right, cool. Getting a little bit, yeah. I have a little bit too many tabs open, for sure. All right, we are continuing on this here. Program that reads user input until an empty line for each non-empty string. The program splits the string by spaces and then prints the pieces that contain AV each on a new line. All right, sure. And I guess I could just... Yeah, I could just do that. Wait. Oh. Yeah, so let's see. How do I do this? I split it first. And then what is it if I have to do 4? Yeah, I guess I can do this. for string item splitter, and then I can do I mean, this song's pretty good, actually. Very chill. Very chill. If item, I guess, yeah, if item dot contains, what is it? Ava? AV? Sorry, AV. Then I do, item log. That should be good. Yeah, that's, yeah, that's good. I am having a good time. I'm having a good time. Avarice always acts arrogant. Any oh yeah, I'm coding with Java. Okay, I'm coding with Java in Java. Okay. Cool. Do you have a favorite flavor? Was it a cat? I'll just actually let me do you have a favorite flavor? Sure. Epic did it. Data of fixed format. Splitting strings is used particularly when the data. How many? Oh wow, actually quite a few. Quite a few views, dang. Splitting strings is used particularly when the data is of a fixed format. This refers to data that adheres to some predefined format. An example of this is the comma-separated values format, where commas are used to separate values. All right. Oh, that's my name. That's my name. Below you'll find an example of data in CSV format containing names and ages. The first column the first column contains names and the second one ages. The columns are separated by a comma. Ah. All right. Let's assume the user enters the data above row by row, ending with an empty line. The program to print the names and ages looks like the following. Yeah, let me see if I can do this. Except this is gonna be the same. And let me yeah, honestly, let me just print that. Because I want to save that. Save that for later. While input... Okay, and then we split by this, right? And then we do the same thing as before. Okay. I guess I could just type it again. For string item splitter should I do it afterward? Yes. Yeah, I'll do it afterward. We got... Huh. But that doesn't work. Oh, how are you liking learning programming? It's all right. I mean, it's not like do I like learning programming? Yeah. You know what? Yeah, I am liking it. Thank you for asking, and welcome to the stream. We got... Wait, can I'm gonna make an array list instead, actually. Huh. Am I even allowed to do that? Yeah, let me see if I can do that. And get wrecked. Array list string. This is... I guess I'll just name this splitter equals new array list. And then I do splitter plus equals... I'm not allowed to do that, aren't I? I'm not allowed to do that. Aren't I? Found int required plus equals provided int. No, I didn't. What? I can make a counter. I can make a counter. Yeah, let me make a counter. And then let's do... Fine. This is gonna be a little bit... yeah, this is gonna be a little bit complex. Do you want advice, or would you rather learn it all on your own? I mean, I'm not learning it on my own. I'm reading something to learn it, but I mean, yeah, you can help out if you like see me have a lot of trouble, like a lot of trouble. Then you can help me. If I'm like, I have no idea what this is or how I do this, then you can help me. But don't help me if don't help me with stuff like that. Stuff you know, didn't actually need to make this variable. And then we got counter. Oh, wait. Wait. Counter less than. I guess I'll just do less than splitter dot size plus plus 2. That's all right, I guess. I'll do counter plus plus, and then I do okay, stop. Splitter, I do splitter. I mean, is this right, actually? Why is that not, whatever. Splitter counter. Okay, am I like doing this wrong? Oh, dot add. Dot add. Never mind. Is that a rhetorical question? Yes. Yeah. Splitter dot add. And what do I do? I do. Oh. Wait. Okay, let me try something here. So if I do gosh dang, dude. If I do string equals wow. Sorry. Wow. Comma 3. And then I do this. Test. Dot split. Is that right? Yeah. Test dot split, comma, space. What's gonna happen? Oh, that's gonna happen. Okay. All right. That is definitely not what I expected. I think I actually don't know how to do exactly what I want, but don't help me. Don't help me. Yeah, this song is good, dude.
This man did it!
Oh,
this
fudge.
man actually did it!
Thank you, nobody. Sorry, no booty. Thank you, no booty, with the third O being a 0. No booty underscore with the third O being a 0 instead. For the follow, I greatly appreciate it. Every little bit helps towards making my dream come true and proving my family wrong, so I'm genuinely grateful. Thank you. Again. Yeah, for, yeah. Yeah, you got it. Equals text dot split. You know what? Let me see what this does. Actually, let me test something else out. Hi from Mexico. Welcome, welcome. I guess it's Mexico, technically. It would be that. Well, is it? Fudge, man. I don't know. Yep. Okay, okay. Nice, nice. So if I do array list, string, splitter equals, sorry, new. Yeah, let me see this. And I haven't learned how to assign array lists on establishment, like on defining the variable. I haven't learned how to do that yet. And then if I do array list, sorry, splitter, if I do splitter equals test dot split, and then I do this, it's not gonna let me do it. It's not going to let me. All right. Yeah, I guess I can't use an array list to do this. What are you trying to do? So I'm trying to, what is it? I'm trying to do a program that prints the names and ages of something like this. It's equipped with a neural net processor. A learning compute. What? Yeah, this is some chill. This is some chill times stuff, man. Terminator 2 reference. God, I haven't seen that movie in a long time. Actually, I mean, I've only seen it one time, so it's not like I grew up with it. Okay, splitter equals that. Huh. Okay, so I'm defining it inside this. Like, I wanted to print it outside. Dang. Dang, dang. You guys both into Terminator? Nice. I mean, you didn't give me an answer, but nice. You know, I'll do that, and then, I mean, I don't know if this is what they want me to do. And then... Oh, no. We do... How do I do this, actually? Like, for the... Okay. I want to loop it, but, like... I want it to print a string, a different string each time. Out of curiosity, what software role are you looking to snag at Hypixel and hello? Anything, really. Question on your code, because I actually don't know Java. Can you do a list of like 2 types of variables? No. From what I know, you can't. I'm new, so I'm just learning. So I don't know for sure. Java is just statically typed, so no, unfortunately. Okay, what he said, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really sure what they're gonna need in like a year, which is probably the amount of time it's gonna take me to actually be a good software engineer. But you know what? Let's look at the let's look at the jobs currently. Honestly, I gotta make sure not to. Okay, we got. All right, anti-cheat engineer. Okay, game physics.
This man did it! This man actually did it!
Thank you, Ibito, for the follow. I greatly appreciate it. Every little bit helps towards making my dream come true and proving my family wrong. So I'm genuinely grateful. Engineer NPCs, AI/engine. I guess they need more of those. They already have people doing that. And I don't think I would qualify for any of these senior positions. But yeah, kind of sucks. If we're over engineering this little learning thing, a list of tuples would do, but this is him learning string manipulation. No need to go into holding different data types and pairing them. PogChamp, that's a new PogChamp. Gosh dang. Who we are. This is what I want to look at. There is one thing that's worrying. What the heck? Okay, that's why I have that. Does it change the Quebec? No, it's an image. Self-driven, not driven. Pick. Let me look. Pick. Okay, we recruit individuals whose talent would give them their pick of other places to work. We expect that they choose to be here because they align with specific aspects of Hypixel Studio's mission, values, and culture. So basically, you gotta be like the best. And I don't know if I can even do that in a year or whatever, you know, however long they, you know, and however long. Yeah, our creative class or some other janky code or roll your own object to make a list of tunings. Other job openings are all senior software engineers. They're looking for the cream of the crop. Yeah, it sucks, man. It sucks. I mean, here's the thing. Like, if I actually want to get a programming job, I'm going to have to, like, beg people to hire me because I'll have no experience anywhere else. I got bad news for you. 1 year isn't going to get you there. I know, that's what I said. I said, okay, never mind. Like I said, I don't know what they're going to need in a year, but I don't think, like, I don't know if I can get it. Okay, I guess I said I didn't know. Whatever. intern remote jobs don't let you start in the mail room anymore. Yeah, I mean, I'll intern. Like, here's the thing. Even if I, like, I just wanna be part of making Hightail. Oh Lord, getting in the industry to begin with is so impossibly hard. I don't recall doing so fondly, and it's only getting harder and harder as more people go into programming. I think you can do it if you keep doing what you're doing. All right, thank you for the encouragement. But aren't software engineers like in high demand? So I don't know what, like, why would it be difficult? Like, they can always fire me. The high demand is for experienced software developers. Well, okay. Everyone wants someone who has done it for a while. Okay, great. I mean, the thing is, there are lots of people getting into programming. There is still a small subset of good programmers. It's like chess. No matter how many people take it up, there's still a pretty finite pool of grandmasters. All right. So basically, you're telling me I have to make my own programs first, and then, yeah, basically, I should, like, quit streaming every day just because I'm saying quitting streaming every day because the title doesn't apply technically. Yeah, it's so dumb, man. I think it's so dumb. The whole thing about, like, being new in a field, like, that is the most difficult point. Like, that's the time where it's most difficult to get a job, right? Is when you're just getting into the field. But, like, after your first job, if you do well, then, you know, people will hire you really easily. I don't get that. I hate that so much, by the way. Like, you have to have... you know, like, you have to have coded something good in order to actually get a job. And some people get programming jobs just to like, just to make money. Like, they're not actually passionate about it. Okay, this is what I got right now. I don't really know. If you can show you practice and learned until you hit sand on something and can explain it well, that has serious value. That you have passion and joy, desire to do what you love. Big oof. What the fudge was that? Alright. 5. 10. Alright, I don't know if that's what this does. I mean, they're giving it to me. I just wanted to try and do it. What? Why are they doing this while true thing? I hate that. Got it. Passion and joy. I mean, like, okay, I mean, like, what I'm really passionate about is, I mean, I guess everyone is passionate about having fun. They print out name, age. Wait, let's look. Oh, I forgot about that. Wait, I forgot I could do that, yeah. Whoops. I'll remember that for next time. Hey, that's my name. That's my name. Alright, let's move on. Write a program that reads user input until an empty line is entered. For each non-empty line, the program splits the string by spaces and prints the first part of the string. What language is this? Java. Write a program that non-empty line. The program splits the string. All right, sure. This is a very important message. This. Nuts. Absolutely insane. It doesn't matter with the plus anymore. They optimize the strings / garbage collector. So they do the same thing now. All right. Passion is a misleading word. I would say find something fulfilling intellectually is more valuable than trying to find something you're crazy about. That used to trigger the allocator. Don't get ahead of him. All right. I get it. I tried doing that though at one point. But it doesn't anymore? Okay, so are you telling me I can concatenate with out of plus? Because I already tried that. And I can just change this.
Wait, in Java?
Yes? Okay.
I don't think you can concatenate without plus.
Okay. Cool. Thanks.
Unless there's a function that does that.
Yeah, I don't know. Or method.
Or method.
Oh, someone else learning programming too? No, he actually got a degree. He got a CS degree. I don't know what kind. Associate, Gregory? Associate degree? A bachelor's. He got a bachelor's CS degree, and he is not doing programming as a job. It was so hard to write efficient Java. They just retooled the JVM so you can write the easiest code and still get benefits, which is a big plus for new coders. All right. I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm very ignorant. Sorry. Right. I do by spaces here. And then they just want me to print the first one? All right. Sure. Okay. Splitter. I guess I just do 0. Sure. Absolutely crazy. Okay, absolutely crazy. That is nuts, man. We're doing it. Nuts. Crazy. Now we do the last one. That reads user input until empty line. Last part of the string. Very crazy. Very crazy. All we do is change this to splitter. Dot length. F. Dot length. -1. I like that Python allows getting the last item with -1 instead of getting the length and subtracting 1. Hey, same. I do like Python a lot better, but I don't know. Supposedly Java's like better with objects or something. Okay. Are you like going to bed right now? Great. Let me see if I can... No, this is going to take me like at least... Yeah, I don't know. At least like half an hour more. So I guess I'll get off soon. Let's do wow, man. Please. Okay. Early stream and joy of sharing a room. Oof. Yeah, I really need to get my own place, but first I want to get a job I actually enjoy. Whether that be streaming or coding or anything else. I mean, not any job, obviously, but, you know, you get it. That is so cool. Please tell me more. I just want a job that I enjoy. Big oof. We got run on sentences going on here, man. Try ending input with a space. Okay. Wow. Oof, boy, bruh. I don't know why that would make a difference. All right. Secret messages. Actually, let me just read this here. Super Meepo is coded while Tommy built real estate software. Einstein worked on the theory of relativity while employed as a patent clerk. Job doesn't matter, just get one that gives you time to think about what you love. Thing? Yeah, it would be think. It would be think. Thing is not grammatically correct in any scenario with that sentence. But alright. I mean, so the thing is, like, if I have a job I don't like, then I get drained really easily, and like the time that and I'm also, it also takes me a while to get going with things like to get motivated, and it also takes me a long time to do things in general. So jobs will always be draining, just some are intellectually stimulating. I don't agree with that. Like, if I had something, okay. Like, there's okay. For me, there's a difference between draining and tiring. Like, obviously, you're gonna get tired if you, like, do something, if you do almost anything for 8 hours continuously, right? But draining is like my energy is gone and I'm not motivated to do anything else. And I'm not motivated to do much else. Like, my motivation just goes to the floor. That's what I mean by drain. If you do something you love as a job, inevitably you'll not enjoy it as much, I think. That's true. That's true. Because you'll be doing it because you have to, not always because you want to. Yeah, that is true. But, like, I've told my dad, I said, I just want a job that I enjoy 70% of the time. Okay? And then, you know what? That's fine. That's fine. like, if I make good money doing that, that's fine. And then I would probably want a job that I enjoy more of the time than that, for it to be like just enough money for me to survive. I used to really enjoy coding. Now I don't enjoy it, but it is engaging, and that's enough for me. I can get my enjoyment from games and other hobbies outside of work. Well, as a programmer, I used to have commercial jobs where I was sleeping under my desk and living at work. Working as a coder over 20 years made me hate it. Yeah, definitely if I was doing that, I would hate it, yes. If I was being like, if I was like being driven like a slave, yeah, I would hate it, obviously. Yeah, that is rough. So, sometimes I feel like that's all work is. And I've never had a full-time job. Like, what I do, my time is very important to me. So when I'm doing something that I'm not passionate about, like, at all, it just seems like a waste of time, even though I'm making money. Programming can be incredibly demanding on your time. Got it. Yeah. Understandable. All right. Well, let's just finish this. In the exercise above, we actually implement a very simple decrypting method for secret messages. One variant of these messages consists of the first character of each line. Wait. Oh. Program. For example, the secret message program is hidden in the somewhat cryptic text below. Let's continue along the same theme. You can get a character at a specified index of a string with the char at method. What? Or char at? H? Oh. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting, yeah. Why wasn't... Oh. Oh, I see. Oh yeah, making anything worthwhile takes ages, even for pros. Okay, understandable. I figured that already. Getting that idea across to a business is one of the great challenges universal to all businesses. And all those depictions of hackers in movies and TV are laughable. It takes so long to do significant. Yes. Yeah, I understand that. I understand that. But people, okay, here's the thing. People that make games like Thomas Brush. Do you guys know about Thomas Brush? Okay, I really have to get off. But, people like him, where they make indie games full time, and they do everything. They do sound design, coding, texturing, like all the art, everything. It's like, you're insane. Like, you have to be at the peak of humanity in order to do that crap. Like, in order to actually motivate yourself to do that every day and like have that many skills, it's insane. Oh, like, what's his face that made Stardew Valley? Yes. Keep up the good fight. Don't give up. Keep focused. Okay. Keep being focused on your goal. Goodbye and have fun learning programming. Keep up with it. That requires serious, broad knowledge. Yeah. Okay. Those people are crazy. I would like to be like them one day. Also, there's another mentality or another philosophy that I have that's like, you are what you consume. And if you're at a job that you're not passionate about, then you're going to be learning skills that you don't care about, right? Eventually, you'll forget how to do other skills, or like you'll forget how to do other skills to the point where you'll actually have to go back and practice them. And that sucks. That sucks. I just hate wasting my time. We have a very, very limited amount of time on this planet. So, or, in this life, technically I can leave the planet, but you know what I mean? So it's like, my time is pretty much the most important thing to me. Even more than money. Have a great what is left of your day. It's 12:26. So it just turned July 5th. But no problem. Thanks for the stream. No problem. Even though thank you for watching the stream. I wouldn't really, I would still do it even if no one was watching. That happened for a long time. But hey, you're welcome, I guess. And there are plenty of other people out there to watch. But hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm kind of a pessimist, a little bit. Keep being you. Thank you. So yeah, that's it for this stream. Thank you. No booty with the third O being a 0. No booty _ and Ibito for the follows. I greatly appreciate it. And just remember, guys, have a Dalen.